video, Micah. Hey, oi, oi. Well done, Samar.
Hey guys, look who we have here today. Introduce yourself, Jenna.
So what's up, the Pratt family? My name is Demetrius Fearman.
Yes.
And for those of you who don't know me,
yes,
I talk about the money side of YouTube.
So Mr. Foreman, for your first construction project, how do you feel now versus when you started? Like, what is your experience? What has your experience taught you? How do you feel?
All right.
When you want content quality, there's one place I gotta be. Travel over land and overseas, watching the Del Pratt family, the Del Pratt family, the Del Pratt family, the Del Pratt family, the Del Pratt family.
Oh no, anxiety creeps up on me. Is this how it's supposed to feel? Tell me when it's over, I got someplace that I gotta be. It won't leave. My friends say, get out of your comfort zone, it's a blessing in disguise. Get out of what you call home, your name is written in the sky. It might feel just like you're on your own, but baby, it's another lie. Remember you were made. I try to work, but it doesn't work. I try to say something, but there's no word. I try to justify my actions, less reactions, heartbeat raising. Oh, it doesn't work.
Guys, rock it up for Mr. Everton after, you know? I'm going with himself.
Yeah, with the final lap, you know, basically like the mason work, you know? You see it, so right now, I finish off the outside. So exactly where you call it, you know, where the Everton?
Flash and float.
Flash and float.
All in one.
Alright.
Out here now get the smooth finish like the inside.
No,
just kind of
like how run is still.
Yeah. Because of that now you need to be smooth. So
I get there, is it?
I get there, man.
I get there slowly but surely, you know?
The board then come up on each side of the house, you know?
Make sure everything's square and straight and neat.
Yeah. It's a good look. B-Squad, remember, if you are planning to start hosting guests at your home, if you are planning to start doing Airbnb, we have a link in the description. Use our link to sign up for your Airbnb. That is our affiliate link. Basically lets Airbnb know that we are referring persons and we get a small benefit from that. You are not affected, but again, use our affiliate link if you are signing up.
Yeah, man, just a way to say thank you, you know, because we shared a lot. We've been sharing a lot with you guys over the years, and you know, just a way to give back to us, you know.
Yes.
Yeah, as Cass said, it did not cost you anything, so just use the affiliate link to sign up to get your listing up and running. All right, check the description for that. Yeah, man.
So how much years have you been doing this again?
20.
20 years.
2022.
Wow.
So you start out as a labourer.
That's how you go? Okay.
So left it now still. Bad.
You have to give somebody Del Pratt family member them some of the work first before you hang up your boots in there, man. You see? Yeah, man, straight.
Yeah.
You have to give them some of the work, cause them are eagerly anticipate it, you know? Yeah, man. So tell them one more time how to reach you.
385
876 385
9946.
9946.
Yeah.
You can reach Everton. You know, film contact that. Just call him and make him know say I'm gonna come from the D squad, you know? Yeah, man, so yeah.
You've been doing this for a long time.
So it's not easy at all.
You know, it's not easy at all. But I like the fact that you have a system, a plan set out.
Yeah.
I like the way you work.
Yeah, I have a plan. That makes no sense.
True, man.
I like the fact that we not have to call you. Call you. Where you there? When you gonna do this?
Yeah.
I like that because
Don't go call him, go on, you know. What time you call me for fee money, you know. Make sure you say the money ready, you know.
hey guys, one of Adrian's nightmare is when you have a house where lean up and patch up and turn over, like it over, turn over, you know.
Yeah, man, that's my worst nightmare for real, man.
He was just recounting an experience him after. Tell them about it.
Yeah, so me did in one house in a way. Recently built and like the wall in one direction and then over the doorway you can literally see it take a turn. So I want straight wall if it go straight down, you know. But you see the wall and then over the doorway make a turn go so. So literally I look while ago. Like right there so. I don't know if you can see based on the lighting. Right here so. I mean at the same time it crossed my mind how the wall and the place like so straight and then just for the door jam they come out. So I mean
the wall not straight there.
the wall out in the wall not straight really. Yeah, so I mean them thing they have to really look for. You know when the black work are go on, you know make sure say the black work straight. If you have a man at work, you can draw your own level too, you know, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, literally draw your own level and get a straight edge. When I lock them on the site and look, check the wall them for yourself. Make sure say them are go in line, them are go straight. You get me? I say, cause you can't really eyeball it and know, right? But probably when it's about the flag really show up when the wall to render, you know?
Like this. It's a good look.
I don't know.
It's a 4-man worker, come on, you know. So how do you feel now, like versus when we first started out? Remember, get you in on it. So Mr. 4-man, for your first construction project, how do you feel now versus when you started? Like, what has your experience taught you? How do you feel?
All right. Luckily, as we say, we have a good workman, so we never really have no heap of headache or things not go right. We have to correct. We never really have much of that to do.
Yeah.
Right. I was here too enough of the time where I kind of steer the thing in a particular way how I want it. So I come mornings before I go to work and thing and I check out. And make sure that everything alright, and reinforce certain key thing or more key element. I want to tell you not to say I talked to all our brethren just the other day. Over the weekend, was actually many reasons.
Yeah.
And thing I show me the progress time in project. It look good, it look really good. But I say, boy, some of the workman them are headache because you literally have to be behind them all the time. You tell the man them one thing how you want it, and then when you realize now them do things in another way, you still have to go back.
Yeah.
I mentioned to me one at the time where say I build up a garage, and him have some tall windows on both sides.
Yeah.
So say everything have to even. So if you have 6 inch on one side, like you have to have 6 inch on the other side.
Yeah.
You find say one side have 9 inches and one side have 3 inches. So the thing looks so unbalanced. Remember that's the front of the house. So as you look from the front, you're going to see it half. So you must literally lick down back one side of the wall and correct it. So you must say, boy, is that something where you have to really be supervising the job. You have to really supervise the job. And that's one key thing where you have to learn, even being overseas. I know a lot of you guys who watch our videos, you are building from overseas, or you want to build from overseas,
We have to have somebody to manage it.
you have to have somebody to manage it. That's key.
Yeah.
You know, if you have several people on the job working,
You have to have a supervisor.
you have to have a supervisor, because look, for arguments, Everton the
Oh,
writers
man.
know. Everton the writers know him at work. Him can't look for know where the plumber around the are go on with, you know, or the electrician, you know, are go on with, you know. You understand? Because like for example, I tell the man them how because we have some wall lamps we have, so we have put the lighting fixtures on the wall. Tell the electrician I want, after him go through and him pipe the roof, in a roof, we realize he never put it at the side, so I go back and I say, remember, I tell you say, at the wall more on the thing them, so if I never did go back that time and double check, what would happen is the roof would have cast and the wall, the side, the pipe come down from the side for the wall lamp, that wouldn't have been in it. So it have to be one or two things. So I have to go knock out back wall after everything.
And put in that, or you have to buy
sell it and buy
new fixtures.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So you have to manage a thing. You have to manage a project. You know, you have to manage a project. Next thing, with all the bathroom, where I want the bathroom to have a certain size, the shower stall that is to have a certain size. Everybody have a different idea in their mind how they want it.
That is it. That is it.
Me have to tell the man say, me don't want it 32. I must say bath would that be like probably 28 inches or whatever. So I must say, man, give me 32. I say, no, I don't want 32. I want minimum 36 because the 32 feel kind of tight when I'm in there.
Yeah.
Even though the width, this distance, it kind of far, but the width, I still want at least 3 feet. So this is what I talk about. So
You kind of have a halo over here, the right side of the window there.
guys, kind of pardon the lighting, because the wall them a source of cement right now, you know, then dark.
Yeah.
So the lighting now will be as good. When we prime out, it are better.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
So that is where the bath is going to be right there.
Yeah, right here. It's a shower stall. Not bad, but shower stall. Yeah, 32 inches with a 2.
Too close.
Yeah. The 36 now is more, you know, room in 3 feet.
Especially because you're a tall person. So for you versus somebody like me, you know, somebody like me, 32 would probably be okay.
What the guy said, the plumber said, we're not supposed to don't render out this, make it stay. Because when you get the mix of them also, we know how to fit it properly, because we're not sure the type of mixer we're getting.
So we actually got
Have the pictures already?
Yeah, we got a lot of the pictures already. And when they come, we're gonna do like a big unboxing. So you got what we got.
Yeah, man, for real.
So I'm so excited about that though. Big up to Adrian's dad, big up Daddy Del Pratt for coming through for us again, right? He was our barrel shipper person.
Real.
So big up yourself, we appreciate you, alright?
Yeah, man.
So so we have a fixture and stuff coming, but what Adrian was also saying is that you have certain specifications that you want. For example, some of the lighting, what is it? What them do something, babe?
How you go now? This is a switch. This is a switch for the...
And this is a plug.
Yeah, switch and plug. So the switch, this switch is for the light that will be over here, on top here. And then the plug now, when you are using a shaver or whatever, right over the vanity. This is the vanity area right here, by the way.
Yeah. So like, for example, we have a light that will go over the vanity. We also, so there are certain things that you envision for the space. And you have to ensure that you're there to continuously tell the person working that remember I said this must go here, so I'm more that, no man that no look right, Can't have a little bit higher because this is how it look like. So you need somebody to be there to supervise. Big up Adrian again, because I think when we started, Adrian didn't have any experience with construction and building. Me never have no hands-on experience either, because the only experience I have is when my parents was built. My parents actually built their house when I was a child. So I have that experience. And my mom recently built another house. So I have that experience, but it wasn't like a hands-on experience. This is more like hands-on. And I think Adrian has just done just a phenomenal job. He's a foreman, big up yourself.
Thanks. Yeah.
Right?
Because the thing is, I know measurements. I know measurement, and we have experience in terms of house design and what's best.
What we want.
Yeah.
And we are hands-on. So that's a good thing. If you don't know what you're doing, then you have to be very more hands-on. Then you have to be more in the picture to see how that go, how this go, then what. And that's the reason why we decided to carry you guys on this journey.
Yes.
We literally carry you on this journey from before house build.
Yeah.
Journey from number 11111 come all the way up to this point. So, right, we did a good job. Tell me in the comment section, haven't we kept y'all in the loop?
Definitely. Yeah, man.
Right?
Yeah.
So we've definitely caught you guys up to speed with everything that we've been doing so far, carrying you guys on the journey. So now have a pretty good idea if you know how to do the construction or not good one.
What to expect, eh?
What to expect.
Definitely.
Right?
Yeah, peeps. So flash up down the lower part of the wall now. So before that, in order to know the thickness where my flash out to, you put on this. Them here at various locations on the wall. And I'm going to put in some clips shown now where I did it before earlier. So you put on that as a guide. You put on a couple of them at various places on the wall as a guide. Then just flash and make everything peel back to that thickness there. Yeah? Yeah guys, look who we have here today. Introduce yourself, Jenna.
So what's up, the Pratt family? My name is Demetrius Fearman.
Yes.
And for those of you who don't know me, I talk about the money side of YouTube.
Yeah.
So the Del Pratt family, they invest, and I talk about how you guys can invest.
Alright. Yes, so we just completed the interview, very fun. Alright, it's good, collaborating with another YouTuber. You know what I mean? We quite, encourage this, with the Jamaican YouTube community to come together a little more, that's really good.
Alright, so basically your channel is about investing.
Yeah.
Our channel is about investing and family and all the other stuff. So why are you interested in investing?
Well, the honest truth, I love money. So from high school days, I sell banana chips. I sell sweeties.
Yeah.
Jamaican hustler?
Yeah, man. We go Captain's Bakery. At time, the pack of 6 donuts sold for around what was it, $100? And then you can sell 1 donut for $100 and go back to school because people love it.
Yeah.
From them time there, used to just sell things and waste the money still. We never invested them time.
Yeah, I never understand it.
We just were about the BlackBerry and the desert clocks and things.
Yeah.
Wasted the money.
Okay.
So, it's good, yo.
That's cool.
It's a good segue right there. So, you are close to 30 now, they say in your videos, right?
Wow.
Soon 30.
Yeah.
Hey, so, what you wish you knew in your teenager or when you were 20 that you know now? What you wish you knew then?
The major thing, even though I wasted money when I was a teenager, the major thing that I would say is find one skill that you can become good at and stick to it. No matter if you do it for 3 months and you don't see any result and you see somebody else doing something that's working for them and you want to jump to it, stick to what you're doing and eventually try to become a master at it. Because what I've realized, most of those people who are rich and who have made it in life, they stick to one thing. Even if You see a lot of people making tech companies and everything right now, and the man who started out by selling at his wholesale still rich because that's what he's known for. So if I had a skill, if I could go back and tell myself just learn a skill and just practice it and become known for it and market yourself, you'll be much better in life.
Hey guys, I'm there. When I'm bridging them, you know. Watch the match. Watch out. Oh shit. That was close. That one the close. That one the close star. Jaja. Jamaica score an early goal, you know. And then Jamaica make Mexico equalize. Right, like basically the last kick of the first half. But since the second half started, we're not do too bad. We actually play good, you know? Yeah, man. Sorry, what you say about the game? I'm going alright, though. Team don't look too bad. Yeah, man. Oh, God, this is a danger, you know? This is a danger. Oh, good. Oh. Alright. Low cut it out, alright. Alright, guys, you're out there. Jamaica versus Mexico in the Nations League. You know? Oh, a bit of small vibe, is it? Try to get by the program on a level, you know? Yeah, man, and if you remember Christopher Kelly, physio brethren, I'm actually a part of the JFF. I work with the JFF, I'm down there on the sideline, you know. Yo! Vibes there, man. Vibes there. Bailey play good. Bailey and Nicholson link up good, you know. Yeah, man. The goalkeeper play a whole heap of long pass. Nicholson win the head of them. And to Bailey and them a link good in the midfield. I like it, man. Yeah, because we get a couple good chances in the second half so far. I'm not like style. Come on, Jamaica. Just got off. 1-1.
Jamaica 1. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for making it clear to the National Stadium for CONCACAF Nation League. Please travel safely.
Who this? My official friend.
Yeah, man. Respect.
Yeah.
I'm traveling from far. Physio. Okay. Yeah. Affection.
Yeah.
Picture.
Jamaica. Hey, oi, oi. Viva Jamaica.
Oh, to my friend.
Yeah,
Big
yeah.
up, you know.
Alright,
Yeah,
alright.
cool, man.
Hey! Well done, well done, well done, well done. Well done. Well done, Samar! Good game, Samar! Rafael, good game, Rafael! Big goalkeeper, big up yourself. Big game, big game, big game!
How can I pose that? Who pose that?
Malaika's pose.
Malaika's pose. Yeah, long time I don't see her, you know. Yeah, Cass needs that, by the way, guys. I migrated recently. Yeah.
Yeah, guys. So we are here. We're basically in this, like, in this phase now where we're so grateful for where we are, because this is like the last bit of the masonry work.
Definitely, yes.
Right here. So
Yep.
only one side right over here.
Yeah, and then the veranda alone. This side, because they just completed this today, this side today. I realize down there is a silhouette. And then they started over on this side. So them already do what them call it screeding. So them do them lining and everything, you know. So they can start.
And then we have there's some little touching up. So like we have the what do you call this?
What?
The
I don't know what
oval
you're
thing,
talking. The arch.
The
Arch.
Yes,
Oh yeah, yeah.
that's it. So I have like
The arches,
two
yeah.
arches right here, and then we have the patio. So I have the two patios basically. There's the arch on this patio, the other patio on this side, left. We're basically at the point in our construction where we are finishing the masonry work, and this is huge.
Yeah, man.
And it took the most time, but now we have other stuff to do that's gonna take a short amount of time, but
A whole heap more money. Yeah. I don't even say whole heap, but a lot of money as well.
it's a lot of money as well.
Because we already, in terms of our budget, we surpassed the budget already. You get me, I say? Yeah, man, we passed the budget already, man. So, right now,
we spent.
yeah, man, so.
I wonder, but you know, when you want to go, you know it's have to run.
Yeah, so we already passed the budget, and we might have to buy more sand again, you know? Might just have to.
Oh, well,
because the floor have to go cast.
yeah.
You see me, and this are the sand we have left.
Yeah,
A few yards of sand, this, you know? The flashing out. The outside flashing already are going already, so, and them almost done. Them almost finished.
But we have enough gravel though.
Yeah, I think the gravel should be enough.
But we're gonna need more sand.
Yeah. You saw our gravel over here, so.
That is true. We're gonna definitely
See the gravel here. We're gonna use the gravel to cast the floor, and also to do a bit of landscaping around the yard as well. You get me, I say? Yeah, man, it's supposed to be. It's supposed to be. It look enough to me.
Okay. Well,
Yeah.
we know what it's so saying.
Well, we don't know, we probably need about a 10 yard a sand or so to do everything. But when Everton finish flash out, he will definitely let me know.
Yeah.
To me, boy, or even more, probably even 20.
Because it's going to be like 4 inches. It's going to be paved 4 inches on the inside.
Yeah, man, I say maybe about 15 yard of sand would I need more, you know?
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, I don't know what 15 yard of sand looks like. But we have a lot of
Alright, so 50, I mentioned that, alright, so the whole load we get, the whole load of sand we get are like 25 yard.
Oh.
Yeah, the whole load,
Okay.
that big ray of sand there, 25 yard.
Okay.
So, roughly half height,
Yeah. Okay.
you know?
Yeah. It's a lot of sand.
Yeah,
But it's a lot of flooring to do.
yeah, definitely.
We have a lot more stuff. So the masonry is finished. And persons might say, yes, you're done.
No, you can't live in there.
The difference with the masonry work, I was just considering a while ago. I was saying the masonry work took so long because it took us from February up to now we're in June.
Yeah, and let's count. Alright, so February, March, April, May, June.
That's like 4.5 months.
Yeah, Yeah.
And this that's left inside probably take us another week or 2 weeks.
No, a 4-month flush, you know. Because of the second week of February, not January, him start. So it's actually January, not February, so 5 months. Migla January to the Migla February, to the Migla June where we are now, 5 months that.
Okay.
You get me? Him the estimate was 4 months. Him did tell me roughly
4
to 6.
4 to 6.
4 to 6 months, yeah. So him within time schedule. You know, I remember him alone, him and Corey, him labor do most of the thing. Him just get in a little bridge in a little D for help with some of the rendering, you know. But yeah. So him alone, me basically, him and Corey alone for the most part. So
And like this took the longest time and it cost a lot of money. Yeah, so this took the longest time.
It costs millions, guys. Like seriously, and I see some of you guys mentioning in the comments, you know, want more breakdown again with the building process. So we are gonna do another video, you know, updated. You know, but the last one we did was the roof. So we're gonna tell you about everything else, you know, so everything else.
What another truck is past.
Yeah, my peeps. So we just come from work and we said we'll come check out what go on. You see it?
Up here.
Yeah.
So a lot of the evenings are spent.
True, for real.
So we basically have a lot of stuff to consider.
Yeah, man.
Okay, one of the things we need to do is to do the ceiling in the living room and kitchen area. Yeah. And that's gonna extend all the way down to the back. So we need to do that. That about set cost.
Yeah.
We need to.
So we're talking about the tray ceiling, guys.
Tray ceiling.
The tray ceiling. You know? What would do that?
Exactly, we need to do that. We need to tile the floors.
The tile need to do. The door jams.
The windows. Oh, the door jams.
Door jam. What that can do?
And the window jams.
Down. The door jam thing can do way down because more I don't want to tile the floor first and then we put on them there.
The doors.
You know, because guys, we're gonna look some. We're going to get wood from St. Thomas to do the woodwork, you know. You get me? Hello. Hi.
Hey.
What's up? No, I guess. Oh, go on. Yeah. Just come here with. Yeah, man.
So we have a lot of stuff that we need to do. I want to do the ceiling before I do the windows. Because I don't like when I put things put in and then I have to go clean off and scratch off and let's just do it in order so we don't have any extra work to do. I won't have to pay nobody for it because you see them little costs there really add up.
Go on. Come in now. Park and forward now. Our gardener.
You have a gardener.
Our gardener forward. So
mention.
Well, we make a reason about the landscaping. So at right time him come.
Exactly, because we need to talk about that. We need to know what we're going to do with the front of the yard. But that's what we're going to have to do next. Yes. We need to do the windows and the doors. We need to paint after that. We need the cupboards.
Jesus Christ.
We need to get bathroom fittings.
But we have some stuff there. You mean Anna fitting them there. You mean toilet
toilet and face basin.
Yeah.
Vanity.
Yeah, them stuff there. Come in, Dean, man. I'm to you. No, you don't want to come on it? Huh? Forward, man. You move like you're shy.
What do you want lady put me and say, what you doing for it? I say, what you talking about?
She thinks, oh, true. Oh. You want to see me, huh? Yeah, man.
Checking.
Yeah, man. Them man know their work, man, with the landscaping and them things. So.
Take down this tomorrow.
Take
down this tomorrow.
Take down what? What do you mean? What do you mean?
The line.
Oh, I take it down. Oh.
That tomorrow, man.
No, I put it to the side. I put it around there, so.
Yeah, I get the line now. It stays for G and post it.
Oh, this is what he's talking about, guys. The line. See the line there? We're going to take it out.
Yeah, man.
The line around there, so.
Yeah, utilize the space.
Yeah. We put it on the building?
No, you probably make the thing project work. So you know have this.
Round there, so I have enough space, so I'll put it around there, so yeah.
Project I put it on the roof?
But when I make that's high up. I make it come with far away because you know the sheet might touch the wall.
Yeah. Well, we have space around there, so we have about 6-7 feet.
In the yard now, it's like you take up space.
Yeah.
On the line there.
Yeah.
So basement, oh, you never have a lot of pressure. Where if you don't have the lines, then you can pull out of the ground. Pull out of the grounds, yeah. Then it does just when it's not in use.
You take it out?
Oh,
No.
push it down.
Push it down, you have a line like that?
Yeah, man.
Oh, we ain't say. Do you see that at Jamaica?
I have one over Bermuda.
Oh, we ain't say.
Yeah, man. So with ear soft, when it, yeah, when it's not when it's not working,
Yeah.
cause based on how you guys are gonna do it. Them are gonna wash probably them little blouse and thing. Well, you guys probably take the sheet and go do it. Yeah, man. And then some of them come with a circle.
Yeah, me know that one day. Me know the umbrella kind of one day.
But me, you don't need no.
Big level line.
It's not a permanent residence for nobody.
Yeah.
Some of them.
Just every now and then.
Yeah,
True.
because some of them might just want to wash clothes or
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Remember me tell you say how I do the driveway out the front there. So
me look on it all I go.
yeah.
My thing.
So the side, so you have to sort out the side.
No, the thing when me not look.
Me don't want to go up. Me don't want to go up there so because me guess there.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
So me don't want to invade them space.
We not got much land on the farm. I just work it out.
Yeah, a little bit.
Rule out now. Just rule it. May I be honest?
Yeah.
But rule out the land. Rule out maintenance. Me have my son awake and my work and me rule out money. Well, let's get some corners. So we have a nice rock garden and corner.
Lift up your voice, man. Yeah, move.
Now we have some nice rock garden in the corners. So that means there's no maintenance. So we just have blooming, some little cactus and blooming stuff.
Yeah.
In our corner, so cars. You don't need for maintenance that costs you all the once. So you can do that out.
Yeah.
And then if any little thing you probably fix up the side with whatever. Because we have enough grass.
Yeah.
So we just recycle it somewhere we have because like if the line is here, you put it there so if the clothes drop or something.
Yeah.
It drop on it. So
yeah. So
but you need no maintenance on the front. Because with that, trust me, you don't want the day when I guess you need it for cut or
True.
so you just have
Yeah, so the gravel idea with the stepping stones, we're gonna work out that, man. You know?
You must cut out a car at the edge of the driveway.
Yeah.
Why not in the body way and just create a little ambience.
Just a little rock section.
Yeah. So that means without
Oh wow, reflect on the screen, so. Understand.
My phone battery not hot.
Yeah, so this looks good. So you can create something like this for me. Me see you did a seaside.
Yeah, man, I don't let me that ocean see them, I can slap away.
Okay, it's a portion.
Yeah, I can slap away. I make like an orchid garden where I'm personally want, you know. So take a break on my radio, but I work during the break.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, but I just tell you those concepts. So with you guys, you can't make this cost, you have to make whatever you get, you can save for continue, because I know I'm not done right this. Yeah, so nothing conserve. So with the lawn, can watch this now. You rule out a man every month to come fix the front. Funny enough, Adrian might get into it, so you know, I can start cut the back of the little part right this.
They mentioned say we use the linoleum and cover the ground.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, man. A linoleum in there, man, and then you put the gravel and the thing. Actually,
make it nice.
Actually, I do one over Caribbean presently where there's the weed can't come through. So it's just, but you gotta find a pattern with the stones, or you gotta put it because you have different shapes of stones, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, see, sometimes a walkway, so there's so much maintenance you cut out. No, back. Now it's look aside, you want to have a little greenery for the time being. And it might hard now when the fence go.
Yeah.
The grass can't grow around here. So. Over here, so now, Adrian. Alright, this, whatever, it's gonna be a little white. So you see when you finish over here, so, and you make the soil, we don't have to plant nothing on the mid-side. We can just put a little circle with whatever stone color we put there, so. Yeah, so it's obvious, so don't ever try drive up here, so don't ever try.
Yeah,
so let's cut it out. Mark it with a black liner. Put the linoleum down in there. Cut it out with a pack a little rock thing.
another rock garden right there, so.
A small one, so.
Because what going on now, guys, we're gonna have a driveway coming this way over here for the new apartment, and we have the existing driveway. So we're gonna renovate the front, right? You can see that. You can stay tuned for that. You get me? I say.
Chic afterwards.
Yeah, you see me. So we're doing say we're gonna have a strip of grass right there, so, and in it the palm tree that gonna move, Inside of this now, we're going to do a little rock garden for right as I said way. You see me?
And a little rock garden over there.
And another rock garden over there, so and things. So we're not going to see how we're going to deal with the front.
Alright, so this is it for today. Much to consider.
Yeah, man.
Alright, so remember to subscribe if you haven't already. Turn on your post notification bell. You're supposed to set this by now. Put the setting on
subscribe.
all. The one with the dancing icon.
Yeah,
remember, when you subscribe, you help us. You help us to reach persons out there and share our video. Alright, binge watch our content. Give us a thumbs up on this video and bye, D Squad.
We out, guys.